What is good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's boy Maha back again with another video. As you can tell by the title, today we got I think this is the first, well, my first part installing on the Chaser on the video. I already did the door lights and the tail light, not tail light, but the LED license plate light as well, from the same company that y'all were about to see installed for the Lowbeam's LEDs. Stock, obviously, these older cars come with halogens. I believe the Tourer V models came with like a HID, still, you know, not as bright as today's LEDs, so we're gonna do a nice little upgrade on them. Eventually I'm gonna have everything on LEDs. You know, I'm debating if I want to do the yellow fog lights LEDs or just do pure white and match them with the headlights. Let me see how it looks at first, but yeah, man, let's get into this install. So 26 years old and still got cold AC, bro. And gas struts. Alright, so it should be pretty simple, I believe. Yeah, this is low beam, so it's gonna be this connector right here. I'm gonna put the GoPro on so I can see it a little better. Oh, it's a lot easier access over here, so let's get to it. And these are the lights we installing today. Shout out to Last Fit. It's not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money, but Last Fit, if y'all see this and trying to sponsor me with the rest of the lights on the Chaser, I won't be mad. In the box we get manual, product manual. Ooh, with some stickers, different colors. Ooh, yeah, a red one and white. Trinidad flag, red, white, and black. How did you know? How did you know I was Trinity, bro? Shout out Last Fit, bro. But yeah, man, so these are the LEDs. I believe they have like a built-in fan in them. These do get pretty hot LED lights. Aftermarket LED lights tend to get hot and overheat. So over the years, I think they've perfected them now. So we're gonna run them, see how bright they are tonight. I'm gonna do a little video, a little clip of how they look at night, as well as during the day. Obviously during the day it won't really make sense, but during the night is really when you get to see the difference. So let's get the old ones out and in with the new LEDs. All right, and also from Last Fit, I had ordered these a while ago. These are T10s. So like I said, the two door lights, driver, passenger, the license plate light, and the light in the trunk, all are T10. So I use this in Last Fit, as well as this little, I guess it's like a DRL. This little bulb comes through that little hole right there and it lights this up. I'm guessing that's like a little DRL for them, so I'm swapping that to this as well and see how that looks. I'm gonna do a comparison of the OEM versus the Last Fit LED, and literally it was the connectors right here. Shout out to Toyota for making everything accessible. Just your, you know, your basic you know, light connector. Literally you just take it, twist it counterclockwise, take it out, take the old one, put the new one back in, and then clockwise to put it back into the socket. I don't know if that's fully seated in there, but let's test it out. Should be that light. And we got light. So this is the OEM one right here. Like I said, I just subtly lights up this light, I guess, during the day along with the fog lights. So let's pop that back in the house and then do a comparison, see how it looks compared to the OEM. There y'all go, comparison. It's gonna be a lot brighter at night. Oh, when it gets a little dusk, I'll try to do another comparison here, but it's pretty dope, not gonna lie. Alright, let's get the other one on. You can see right there, LEDs are both in. Those for just the DRLs. Ooh, already looks better. Can't wait to see how this looks later in the day. Let's try to tackle these headlights. Alright, so you got the passenger side out. This is the connector right here. Now, like I said, you gotta twist it counterclockwise and then pull it straight out. But the passenger side, they decided to put this little black little cover piece here. I guess that's supposed to protect it from, I don't know. It's supposed to protect it in general, but just keep in mind you have to pull this back while you're pulling this out, and this bowl was a little longer, so just be careful when pulling this out. And let's test the new ones on there. Test it. Yeah, that's right. Looks like it's in. Let's see. Ooh, those are bright. Those are way better. So that's a good comparison there. Stock OEM yellow and LED. Last fit LED HB4 size. Link will be down in the description below for all these lights that I mentioned in this video. But yeah, man, so let's get the other side done and then wait till light go down so y'all can see better. Alright y'all, and there we have it, finally installed. So right now it's on that little DRL mode. It's gonna be as bright as it should be when it's you know, closer to dark. But like I said, I'm gonna do a little night glamour shots, some nice B-roll when it starts to get a little darker so y'all can see it better. But yeah, so those are the little T10s that lights up the housing very subtly. Low beam so y'all can see what's going on. So much better. Comment down below, let me know if y'all think I should do the pure yellow LEDs or just match with the top and go white. Definitely gonna do the high beams as well. But yeah, man, basically change the whole look of the car already. She's coming together, man. She's coming together slowly but surely. Man, so let me get this. Let me wait till the sunlight kind of go down. Let me hit the gym real quick. Hopefully by the time I get out of the gym, it'll be a little better. It's lighting so y'all can see it better, but yes sir. Alright, so lost some light here. Trying to get to literally a street with no lights. Be best representation of how the lights look, man. Now, do keep in mind I do have 20% windshield tint on my car, but we are seeing perfectly fine. Now I'm gonna do, so this is inside the car. That's outside. Inside. Outside. So yeah, man, shout out to Last Fit. Very happy with the lights. Very easy install, no issues, no fitment issues with it at all. Like I said, the link would be down in the description below of where I purchased it. I did buy it off of eBay, but it came from Last Fit themselves. They do sell on eBay. Last Fit, the actual company, they sell their stuff on eBay. So shout out to them. Now we can see a lot better. Hey man, if it costs us halogens, I know what you're doing, man. You better hop on the LED game. Oh yeah. Oh! Perfect example of why you want brighter lights. I just swerved out of a damn raccoon, dead raccoon that was in the middle of the road. Shout out Last Fit for saving my life just now and saving my chaser. Cause I would have ate shit just now. Holy crap. Jolly. Alright, and this is how it's looking outside the car. That's how the reach is. Pretty damn bright. Now I definitely need to swap the bottom. Let me know down in the comments below if I should do the pure yellow or the pure white and just match it with the LEDs on the top. But overall, very happy with how it's looking. The functionality of it as well. Link will be down in the description below, the ones I used. Now real quick, I just want to show you what else I used for the T10 LED swap. I did it with the door lights. Before I got copyrighted. So this is what I did with the interior so far. I did the door lights, the driver and passenger so far. Still got to do the reading lights and then the dome lights soon. So those will still have halogens on them right now. And we did the license plate lights, also T10s, 2 of them there, and 1 T10 in the trunk. Well, they call that the boot light. Lights up the trunk very nicely, especially at night when you gotta go look for stuff in your trunk. Highly recommend. But yeah, man, so that's how oh man. So this is how the chase is looking so far. But yeah, man, that's gonna wrap this video up. If y'all made this far in the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications and notify every time I post a video. Subscribe for more Chaser and Q50 content. Got more Q50 content coming soon, don't worry. I'm not gonna stop the Q50 content because we got the Chaser on the channel. So stay tuned for that. That being said, always remember, repetition creates precision, y'all. Let's go.